Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a deeply troubling issue that's affecting countless families in the southern United States: late pregnancy loss. First off, let's define what we're talking about. Late pregnancy loss, or stillbirth, is the loss of a baby after 20 weeks of pregnancy. And here's the heart-wrenching part. The South has a significantly higher rate of these tragic events compared to other regions in the U.S. In 2023, the mean fetal mortality rate in 16 southern states was 6.05 fetal deaths at 20 weeks or more per 1,000 live births and fetal deaths. That's nearly 3 times greater than other areas. So, what's contributing to this disparity? There are several factors at play. One major issue is the lack of Medicaid expansion, which leaves many women without access to essential prenatal care. The South also has a large rural population, which means limited access to healthcare facilities and fewer perinatal health workers. Another significant factor is the high percentage of uninsured women aged 19 to 54. Many of these women live in maternity care deserts, areas where there are no hospitals or birth centers offering obstetric care. The prevalence of chronic health conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease is also higher in the South, putting expectant mothers at greater risk. And let's not forget the impact of strict abortion bans, which can affect the availability of OB/GYNs. Now, let's talk about racial disparity. Black women are disproportionately affected by stillbirth, experiencing it at more than double the rate of other groups. Over half of the Black population in the U.S. resides in the South, exacerbating this regional disparity. Chronic stress, higher rates of underlying health conditions, and systemic inequalities all play a role here. But there is hope. Solutions are being explored to address this crisis. High-tech tools like AI can predict premature labor, while low-tech solutions like transportation assistance programs and educational initiatives are making a difference. Programs like Kid One, Green Cars for Kids, and Nurse Family Partnership are providing much-needed support to expectant mothers. The U.S. as a whole struggles with high rates of pregnancy and postpartum complications compared to other developed countries. But by acknowledging these issues and working towards solutions, we can make a difference. Here are a few resources online: www.whatoexpect.com, www.babycenter.com, www.thebump.com, www.mayoclinic.org, www.webemd.com, woviahealth.com, www.glowing.com, www.pregnancychat.com. Disclaimer: I am not a medical doctor. The information provided here is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay seeking it because of something you have read here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and take care.